online orders where the packing which is done. These are all the fabrics of satin, soft silk, glossy, fabrics of multiple colors, multiple designs. Just have a look of the printed varieties also. You can see chiffon, you can see glossy, soft silk, georgette, wedding purpose, pre-wedding, like this red colors, brocade pattern with a multi-design, multi-printed. If you want dark colors of the mini butta print, grey, onion, pink, pista, blue, maroon, orange, mehndi green, on dark red. You can see multi-gardenery pattern, classy with light color charts, classy. All the color charts. Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Hope you all know me and you have seen me in many videos. Today I came for shopping. I just thought I should share with you also. Today I'm here at the Fashion Plus. Here is a brand photo where you're watching here the brand board. This place is a very helpful to many of them, and this video will be helpful to you where I want to share with you. This Fashion Plus is what? In this video I'm going to show you. Just come. There's a description below. There are a lot many details you can easily contact and you can do online purchase. This is a Fashion Plus is all about the fabrics. Multiple fabrics you can purchase here at the manufacturing price where the wholesale factory price. You want to know? Just subscribe the channel Fashion Plus and easily you can contact. First, I want to show you all the online orders where the packing which is done, where people are easily purchasing. These are all the online purchase, and you can also purchase. And this is all about for the fabrics related. These are the charts. When the client comes to purchase, these are all the fabrics of satin, soft silk, glossy, and these are all the multiple charts over here. Easily purchase for the online purchase, visit purchase also. And here you're watching here the party wear, boutique wear varieties, fabrics of multiple colors, multiple designs, and regular, fancy, handwork, designer. Just have a look of the printed varieties also. Oh, I got tired. This is a bunch of the material fabric which is of more than 20 meters to 25 meters. You can buy either sari, lehenga, kurti, party wear, gown, everything for the materials you can purchase. Do you want to know the factory price of starting price of the fabric, which is a regular plain fabric which starts from only 17 rupees. 17 rupees of the fabrics. These are all the, you can see cotton, you can see chiffon, you can see glossy, soft silk, georgette, all these varieties. And I just want to show you the printed. These are all the rollers of the fabric, multiple color charts of the rollers you're watching here. The executives are working here, and this is what the bundle of the rollers they are designed. Once it comes from the factory, it will come to the counter. You want to also purchase, and the stitching, tailoring business, women who are running a business, you can also purchase. First, I want to show the wedding purpose pre-wedding, like this red colors, brocade pattern, the golden combination of this. If you want to know patterns of the churidars, kurti bottom, this is a bottom or this is a top, you can stitch. If you want a digital, you have a digital piece of the colors with a bold printed, with a multi-design, multi-printed. If you want dark colors of the mini butta print, you can see the dark yellow with purple color. If you want to see the mehndi green with the white base, the floral base, here is a settle colors you can see over here. This is a bottom. This is a peach with a golden foil printed. This is a grey color, multi-color, dark color. These are all varieties of printed you can see here. Even we do have a lining cloth of asters also. Rollers. And these are all digital printed, bold printed. Chikankari, Jaipuri pattern, all these maroon chart, grey, onion, pink, pista, blue, maroon, orange, mehndi green, on dark red. These are all collections of the color chart you can purchase. If you want to run a boutique, you can invest and you can easily see a multiple profit. You can also sell it out. Here the beautiful wine color combination you can see here. The multicolor of the, you can see the soft silk with the lightweight. Every fabric there is a Fashion Plus, the code of the material, the light net fabric. which is for the long reception gown wears. The can gowns part, even the lehengas also you can purchase. You can see multi gardenery pattern, classy with ocean blue, dark onion with sequence, lavender garden, dark wine with black color combination of the wiring matte look. This subtle color, the collections of this dark green, dark magenta, dark mehendi green, and dark lemon yellow color. These are the collections of the Jimmy Choo fabric, chiffon, weightless, glossy, synthetic, all varieties. If I talk about all these varieties are party wear collections. You can see here all these party varieties, only the light color charts, classy. All the color charts you can purchase if you're into business. Wiring work, these are all the lining cloths of the Astar, which is a cotton based, and this is a beautiful heavy parties, heavy boutique wear parties. Yellow, magenta, light colors. I can't take because it's a bunches of collections. These are all the lehengas of side wear. The lehengas, you can see the mehndi, light onion, dark purple, onion pink, English colors, grey with half white. These all varieties of the party wear, side wear. I like this color. Yeah, very pretty color. See, very shining. It's a glossy, very silky part. It runs like this. It's smoothing with the fabric. These are all varieties. You can also purchase in the online shopping. You can do anywhere, pan India, worldwide. You can also purchase and you can start your business. You can add into your business. You can sell your customers. If you're into stitching business, you can easily make many multi-purpose, all regular plain printed work, all varieties up to boutique party. No need to worry. The base price is 17 rupees. Highest price is 1500 rupees. You can do online shopping in the minimum average of 20 to 25,000. There are uncountable 2000 varieties of handwork printed varieties with multiple fabrics in one bundle, more than 20 to 25 meters. And if you want to do purchase of more than average 20 meters to 25 meters, you can purchase. You can purchase a particular fabric, either it is a running or it is a regular or it is a print or the handwork. So all kind of fabrics you can also purchase and enjoy. You can add into your business. You can start your business either home based or side wear or party wear or boutique. For the lehenga, side wear, even for the all varieties of gown, sharara, crop top, peplum, you can buy these collections of the fabrics. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, so I end up this video. For further more information, contact Fashion Plus. The numbers and the description details are given below. So let me know in the comment box how was the video and how helpful and what is your requirements also. You can talk in the comments or you can directly contact. Next video will meet up. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.